obo government ekurondo muringo ogwo kwija kutereza fizezi twina amakuru mingi reka tugakwisiyeho.
It is now my singular pleasure to release the 2022 primary living examination results to the public.
Ariko gambaho ahakushoza ebizamu ebya PRE chairperson OINEB Professor Mary Okwakol yagamba okubateganisiwe mu COVID na Ebola bitu yasima aba UNICEF hawa minibus makumyana eziba abahire okubasa kubayambaho gukora umurimo. Ogu yagamba necabireho ahishomero rimwe omurika komero aho director w'ishomero ry'abantu buntu yabuzire kutwara abana okubasa gukora ebizamu aha UNEB Center. Ariko gambaho ahakushoza results za PRE Minister w'ebyobwegese Janet Kataha Museveni yagamba ari kugira ngo abinji behandikise kandi bayongera gukora kurungi.
Last year by 1.7%. So as UPE marks 25 years this year, it is very heartwarming to know that our people have and continue to benefit from this government service, this program of universal primary education. We are all grateful, therefore, to God for the fact that registration of the PRE in 2022 increased by a larger percentage than ever before, despite the fears voiced by many over the possible massive dropouts of the learners due to the circumstances prevailing at the time.
Yasima bazire ahabo kufayo okushomesa abana abinoburemo ahambiri yabo.
I'm also pleased to note an increase in the registration of candidates with special needs from 1,599 in 2020 to 2,436 in 2022.
Minister yashabobona bari kwatoho okureba ngo bamanya bwenshi abeji ni baremwa gukora ebibuzo kandi bari kuba bahandikisiwe.
Once a child is enrolled in school, they should and must complete